In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tabs in Airtable. We'll start right from the home page so you can follow along from a fresh session. Open your browser and head to Airtable. On the landing page, look for the login option and select it. If you prefer single sign-on, choose Continue with Google and pick your account when prompted. Once you're signed in and at the Airtable home screen, create a new project by selecting Create. Then choose the option to build an app on your own. This opens a clean workspace so you can see exactly how tabs or views help you organize and navigate your data. When your new base loads, you might see an AI or help sidebar. Collapse the sidebar to maximize your canvas and keep the focus on the table and its tabs. Along the upper left area of the table, you'll notice the Views bar. This is where your tabs live. Grid View is typically the default tab, and it shows your records in a familiar spreadsheet layout. Click Grid View to bring it into focus. Think of each tab here as a different lens on the same underlying data, each with its own filters, sorts, and layouts. Now switch to another tab called Notes. Click Notes to open it. This lets you see how a different view can highlight the same records in a way that's purpose-built for a workflow, like jotting down detailed text or collaborating on content. Jump back to Grid View to compare the layouts. Moving between these tabs is instant, and it's a great way to stay organized without duplicating data. Let's create your own tab so you can tailor a view to your needs. At the end of the Views bar, select Create New. This starts a fresh view you can configure later with filters and sorts to show exactly what matters. Next, use the small plus icon on the Views bar to add another new tab quickly. This is a shortcut you'll use often as your project grows and you need separate views for different teams or tasks. While we're here, let's shape the data you'll see across all tabs. In the grid header, click the plus icon to add a new field. Fields become columns, so choose a type that fits your content, like single line text, number, or date. Any field you add is shared across tabs, but each tab decides how to display or filter it. To wrap up, return to the Notes tab so you can see the new field available there as well. That's the power of Airtable tabs: fast navigation, tailored views, and one source of truth.